And today we are going to be doing a different type of video that we normally do, but we are going to be taking apart a DS. It's kind of already broken, but that will still do. We're going to take this apart, and being broken is a good thing because I'm not going to care for it anymore. Okay, first to start it off, I'm going to get this, and I'm going to go to the back of this DS. And I'm going to go to this. This is probably the battery. I would hope so. So, I was doing it the wrong way. Okay. So I'm going to undo this, and we're going to be able to see what is in. My nails are so long I can do it. It's so easy to do it with the long nails. Okay. That's the benefit. Okay. No, this is hard. I think it's like, ooh. Okay. This is not coming out easily. My camera's gonna fall down. Okay. Keep on unscrewing it, I guess. Man, this isn't gonna work. If I screw back in, out. I know it's ready to come out. Are you seeing this? I'm getting all up in it. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, this hurts. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I feel like something dripped down my arm actually. Okay, so this is the battery. Let's take this out. Ooh, is this gonna like shock me? Look at my nail already. My chair is moving and everything. Okay. There are three down here. If you can see, there we go. I'm going to try to get those if I can. Okay, now. Oh no. Okay. Okay. I am going to get this. Okay. No, I don't think I'm doing anything to that one. Nope. Okay. So let's try a different one. Let's try the one all the way in here. These are teensy tiny. Look at these. I'm going to get it out though. I'm gonna break my screwdriver. Okay. I'm actually pushing really headphone port. Okay. Now I have opened. Is there anything? No. Okay, guys. This is going to be annoying. Yep. Okay. So, I want to unscrew one or... Where would I want to unscrew? I'm not talking about the top one, but all these are really going to be hard to get to. I'm going to have to do some work off camera. Okay guys, so I have gotten the battery out by making this and doing some leverage and lifting it out of it. Yeah. So this is kind of interesting. It's positive, negative. It's recyclable, and it has a lot of attentions. I should probably not even be holding this because I'm probably just going to explode and die. So I'll put that to the side. You know what? I'll keep it back here so we can look at that. But when I took out that battery, a bunch of new doors appeared. So now, now we have a bunch of different ways to go. So let's see. If I can undo this one quickly. I'm so unsteady. There There we go. Push hard. Oh man, this hurt. I can't. Wrong one. I guess I'm gonna have to go with this one. Oh yeah. Oh man, this is actually really tight. I'm gonna have to do some stuff off cam. Okay guys, I turned back on the recording because I think I'm on to something. I'll do this off cam. Guys, I'm back and I'm also even more on to something. And now it's kind of looking like a porcupine. Oh my gosh, this is really hard. Like, it comes off halfway. Oh my gosh, it hurts so much. This came off while I was doing it. And this used to be in here. This little piece used to be right in this hole. And then on the other side, this had a little ring around it. Ah! Well, there you go. This is the little ring. Looks weird. Huh? Man, that hurt a lot. Okay, here's what we got. I had to start using these, and this is what we have. So these look like this is where the sound came from. These. I had to crack it in half. It hurt really bad. There's stuff on my hands still. Well, this is the screen. So we are going to be trying to do a bunch of stuff to this now. We're gonna try to get this out. That was the tape for the phones. Okay. So I'm gonna try to get this screen and show you guys this. But for now, just look at all this. This is really cool. I really like this. This looks cool. Where's the other one? Oh, these were on these. So yeah, this was just really cool. So I'm just gonna break this more and see what I can find. Okay guys, after like 5 seconds, I just pulled this out really quickly. Let's look at this first though. There's a sponge right here. And oh, no wonder it was so hard to get these off. There were screws. No wonder I was having such a hard time. So this was the wire. This wire broke while, yeah. You see, this wire here. I don't know where the other one went, but what is this? It's like spongy. Oh. Look at that. It's spongy and then, huh, made it come off. Wonder what, whatever. Oh, it's a mic. Okay, I was so confused. I was like, what is that? So that's a mini mic. And that's pretty much for this one. Oh, this came off too. That was the black one. Black wire. So we have the speaker. Oh. Little clicking sound when I tap it. So we have this, the screen. I don't want to smack it yet, but we will. Don't worry. Don't worry, my friends. We will crack this. It took so long. I will do this. Let me hold it with my left hand. So as you can see, there's this, and you can kind of see. There's a little crack right there. I'm gonna get this piece off, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Light. Okay. If any of you guys like stuff clean, look at this. This is so perfect. Just kidding. Look at this. There's not a speck on there. It's probably going to be soon though, because I'm probably gonna spit on it by mistake. But look how perfect this is. Man, it's so clean. I don't want to touch it. This is kind of sticky. This was probably just a plastic thing over it. But yeah, I just took that off, and I probably won't smudge it. Maybe I will. But I'll be right back getting the rest of it. Okay, so first, what I did was this. It's pretty perfectly clean. No, it's not, because I just touched it right when I said that. But underneath it, is kind of weirdy. I know it's normal. It's like in cars, right? It's like, can't do it my left. Okay. Oh my gosh. Am I gonna be able to do it? Am I gonna be able? Oh my gosh, why can't I do it now? I just got it up. Okay, this, and we'll be right back. Okay, this is greasy and slimy. Yeah, this is slimy. I forget what it's called. Tell me why it's there in the description. Tell me why it's there in the comments if you do and you're smart. Not like me. But this is like flimsy as aluminum foil, but a little bit stronger. Ow. But it's sharp. Ooh, I'm not gonna play with that. Ow. Ooh, that's really sharp. At least I didn't cut myself. I'm gonna finish this. This is wet and slimy. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. I have the white back now. I'm on the white paper for one reason. I'm on this thing. I use that for my project. I'm on this thing because I thought this whole entire thing was gonna crack open and make lots of marks, but it didn't. So here's what happened. Yep, this is it. Got some numbers. This thing. I just want to scratch it. No, I don't actually. And we have our noisemaker. You see? It's making noise. Okay. So this is sticky. Oh no. Okay. So I'm going to. Oh, there's a film over it. It's protected. Oh, that's cool. Let's see how hard I can hit this without it breaking. Okay. About an inch drop. Ooh, whoa. It's a magnet. New experiment. Okay, not hard. Now I'm actually gonna hit it. Not hard, harder, harder. You can see it's making a mark right here. My mom's gonna come out and be like, what the heck are you doing? I'm going to check the bottom of that. Well, I came back. There's little teeny shards of, stuff everywhere that I'm scared of. That's why I got this. This is pieces. This is the major discovery I made. Look at all this. It's even a mirror. You see me? There we go. Okay. That's me. And that's my phone. Hello? Hi. This is actually really cool. Look at all this. Oh, and then there's... Well, we have a bunch, none of this was actually glass, I'm pretty sure. Unless this is. Maybe... No, there's no way that's glass. Why do we have, translucent pages? This one you can't see through. This one you can't see through. It's just a mirror. This one you can see through. This one you can almost see through. Yeah. And there's little teeny shards of glass. Ouchie, ouchie, ouchies. Ouchie, ouchies, ouchie, ouchies. Shards of little glass everywhere. Hurting my little teeny thumb. Okay. There's also one major discovery. Oh yeah. Be right back to take this. My phone fell. This thing apart. Oh my gosh, guys, you will not believe what happened. Remember how there was 2 and 1 disappeared? They were connected the whole entire time, and I thought it was 1. I was like, oh, that was easy to take it apart. And then, ready? There's 2. There's a little magnet, I guess. So, be right back to destroy these. Okay, guys, this is kind of simple. Nothing actually really happened. I'm gonna squeeze this. Let's see if I did any damage, y'all. Oh yeah, I actually did. I made a mark. At least 1 mark. Well, I kind of just broke this, and that's all that happened. It's just this thing. And guess what? It, like, wants me to break it or something. It's like, okay. I'm gonna leave you alone, okay, little? Oh, I'm gonna leave you alone, okay? Why are you, You don't want to get off. You want me to destroy you. That's why I'm going to do a drop, not a drop test. I'm going to do a hard test on this. Let's move this. Oh my gosh, did I actually miss it? Okay. This thing is very, very, very durable. I'm not going to mess with it anymore. It is really, really strong. This thing isn't really that strong. I mean, it probably is harder to dent and stuff, but bending is easy. See? Yeah. It's strong, but not as strong. How strong are these? Oh, wait. I was like, how strong are these? I put my nail in it and it cracks. Why isn't it doing it again? Why do I keep on singing this? Oh, don't touch that. Don't touch that thing. You see it? There's teensy. Do you see them? See the shining? Those are teensy tiny little shards. Well, we are going to the bottom of this. And get it, bottom of the sea. Oh, whoa. Whoa, I'm not even gonna touch that. This? Nope, it's plastic. It ain't breaking. Did you get it? I said ain't. That's funny, right? This. Oh, I can't do it with my left. Think I can. Oh, man, I can't even break that. No, I have to use these. Whoa. Did you just see what happened? Do you see those white marks? I didn't do that. I mean, I did that. Oh my gosh, what am I? Oh, I'm on a skirt thing. Well, I actually did that. That was so weird. I need to show you guys. Look at it. Put it. Let me. Okay. I'll show you guys using this. I'm getting dizzy. Oh, I don't know why I'm getting dizzy though. That's the funny thing. Oh my gosh, I'm denting it. I have to get a little piece of it. Not those two. Okay. You see? Oh, I feel like. See those white marks? Ouch. Pokies. Yeah, it's really cool. I'm gonna start getting to the bottom of this. I'm so sorry, guys, but this is gonna have to be the end of this one episode. But the second episode, we will get to the bottom of this. Hope you have enjoyed, and if you did, press that like button, please. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That would be really, really happy days. And yeah, can't wait to see you out there.